German engineers have developed an innovative plant transplanting machine that combines advanced automation technologies, high productivity, and versatility. The device, called FlexPlanter, is designed for use in greenhouse complexes and nurseries, where large quantities of plants must be processed with minimal time and resource expenditure. One of the key features of FlexPlanter is its integrated visualization system, which evaluates the quality of plants before transplanting. This process ensures the selection of only healthy and suitable specimens, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing the likelihood of errors. The machine supports work with plants of various diameters, ranging from 9 mm to 60 mm, making it versatile for different crops and plant types. FlexPlanter is capable of processing between 3,000 and 30,000 plants per hour, depending on the model. The company AgBot has developed the autonomous AgBot 5.1 tractor, designed to perform various agricultural tasks including mulching. This robot operates without a driver, utilizing advanced technologies to deliver high precision and efficiency. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder diesel engine by Deutz. The electric transmission ensures smooth operation at speeds ranging from 0 to 13.5 km per hour. The robot features a tracked undercarriage with adjustable widths from 1 meter 90 centimeters to 3 meters 20 centimeters, reducing soil compaction and enabling operation under diverse conditions. Its autonomy reduces labor costs, boosts productivity, and minimizes environmental impact. AgBot is also developing cloud platforms that facilitate work planning, optimize resource use, and enhance crop yields. The Italian garden tool manufacturer Orandi Group has showcased a creative approach to plant care automation by developing specialized machines for trimming round shrubs. These devices are designed to ensure uniform and precise cutting, allowing for perfectly shaped shrubs with minimal effort. Orandi Group's shrub trimming machines are distinguished by their high accuracy and consistency. Equipped with adjustable cutting heads, they enable the creation of ideal spherical shapes. The automation of the trimming process significantly reduces the need for manual labor, boosting overall productivity. Operators can process a large number of shrubs in a short time, and the machines require minimal maintenance, substantially lowering operating costs. The company AppHarvest, which is specializing in high-tech agriculture, has introduced its latest robot named Virgo. This robot is designed to automate the harvesting process in greenhouses and indoor farming facilities. Virgo is equipped with cameras and an infrared laser that create three-dimensional scans of plants, enabling it to assess fruit ripeness and determine the optimal harvesting method. The robot is capable of harvesting various crops including tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and even delicate fruits such as strawberries. At the same time, Virgo collects data on plant health, aiding in monitoring crop conditions and accurately forecasting harvest yields. Its deployment reduces reliance on manual labor, increases harvesting speed and precision, and improves product quality through data analysis. Virgo exemplifies an innovative approach to agricultural automation, showcasing how modern technologies can be integrated to enhance efficiency and sustainability in the agricultural sector. Street sweepers may soon become a thing of the past, as technology continues to confidently replace human labor in the municipal sector. One such innovative solution is the Dulevo 6000, a modern street cleaning machine capable of handling the primary tasks of maintaining cleanliness in cities and industrial zones. The Dulevo 6000 is equipped with a unique mechanical suction cleaning system. This technology enables the machine to effectively collect both large debris and the smallest dust particles. The Dulevo 6000 performs equally well in cleaning narrow city streets and wide industrial areas. In all weather conditions and on various types of surfaces, it demonstrates high reliability and productivity. Its efficiency is also noteworthy. The machine consumes up to 60% less water compared to traditional street sweepers. In the year 2022 at the International Green Tech Exhibition in Amsterdam, German engineers from Orandi Farms presented a robot for automated strawberry harvesting in greenhouse farms. The robot named Barry was designed to address labor shortages and reduce agricultural costs, providing efficient and delicate harvesting. With high-resolution cameras and image processing algorithms, Barry can accurately determine the ripeness of the strawberries. The robot is equipped with soft plastic effectors that gently grasp the berries, minimizing the risk of damage. Additionally, Barry operates autonomously, navigating between rows, harvesting strawberries and placing them in containers. Its capacity reaches 40 kilograms of berries. Barry is also capable of functioning continuously, 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, ensuring uninterrupted harvesting and maximizing the efficient use of farm resources. Here is a fully automated robot designed to remove leaves from tomato plants in greenhouses, named the Priva Compano de-leaf line. The robot was developed by the company Priva in collaboration with the Belgian research group Octinian. The robot boasts a range of unique features. It can autonomously navigate greenhouses and work alongside humans, ensuring high efficiency and uninterrupted operation. The Compano achieves a leaf removal efficiency exceeding 85% and can process up to 1 hectare of tomatoes per week. The robot is controlled via a smart device, allowing users to easily adjust its settings according to their needs. The primary goal of developing the Compano is to provide a cost-effective alternative to manual labor for leaf removal, which is a labor-intensive and expensive process. The robot addresses labor shortages in agriculture, enhances productivity, and ensures round-the-clock operation without interruptions. The company Inaho has developed the world's first autonomous robot for tomato harvesting, leveraging artificial intelligence technologies to enhance agricultural efficiency. This robot can determine the ripeness of fruits by analyzing their color and size, then automatically harvest suitable tomatoes. It uses 2 manipulator arms to gently grasp tomato clusters and twist them off using a belt mechanism. This method allows the robot to collect 4 to 5 fruits per cycle, significantly speeding up the process compared to manual labor. Developed in Japan, the robot is currently undergoing testing in the Netherlands. It can operate for up to 14 hours on a single charge, functioning both day and night, making it an ideal solution for intensive use. Its compact design allows it to move easily between rows in greenhouses without damaging plants. The goal of creating this robot is to make agriculture more sustainable, reduce dependence on manual labor, which is becoming increasingly expensive and scarce, and boost productivity. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.